Hey everybody, welcome back to Coffee Sometimes Tea with Marcello and Jen. Today we're going to continue our series on creating a pitch with our AI tool here, PitchPerfect, which Jen created. So we had a friend of ours that is doing an elevator pitch for their nonprofit, right? So I went ahead and went through some prompts for us. Okay, um, longer one version, and we clicked for a shorter version, and then shorter version than that, and then we did three more catchy versions, and then we picked one of these through here, right? So jump into Gamma, which is our tool that we like to use for creating um, PowerPoint presentations and slideshow presentations. So we're just going to jump right on into it. So click on the most popular ones that generate. So we're going to do 10 cards. You can do this in multi languages. Pretty cool, right? So keep on presentation and describe what you're going to do. So we're doing a presentation for my non-profit organization that deals with animals. Oops. Okay. So then you're going to hit generate outline, and it's going to give me 10 slides on, so an intro to middle all the way to the end, right? If you need to add another card, you can add a card here. Usually we do a medium instead of a brief and detailed. We do a medium, just do quick. And here to generate AI, I like to do images, generate images with AI. Let's try this time, right? Image style, we'll leave it the way it is, and let's go ahead and continue. Now it's going to go into your theme, right? So it's animals. You want to keep it nice and cute, so keep it light, right? So let's go look at a cute little one. This is pretty cool. Let's use this one here, and then go ahead and hit generate. So Gamma.app is, like I said, one of our favorite tools to use to create presentations. You're going to see how fast this thing rolls through and does it for you. No, no more killing yourself trying to write things down and going crazy doing it. So I think it's about $30 a month, but well worth it. And we also use ChatGPT for the paid version, which is $20. So let's go ahead and jump up here really quick so we can take a look at what's going on. So introduction to our nonprofit organization. Our nonprofit organization is dedicated to providing a safe and nurturing environment for animals in need. We strive to create a world where every animal is treated with compassion and respect, and where they can thrive in their natural, natural habitat. So here we're going to change this. I always want to change this out to whoever created. So we're just going to do CoffeeSometimesTea. It's spelled tonight, right? Okay. And then just cute little pictures, the mission statement. It's helping it's like a wild animal and some doves there. So it gives you their mission, the vision, the program and incentives, rehab, community education, habitat preserves, impact and success stories from rehab, community engagement, conversation, and then challenges and obstacles faced, right? Um, so emergency response, ecosystem threats, and then fundraising efforts and partnerships. Okay, and then volunteer opportunities. So we're going to change out this picture here. So click on this little dude here. You click on accent image, and let's take a look. These are the pictures that it's using. Let's see. Volunteer opportunities. So let's do volunteer opportunities. Let's go into web image search. Let's do here, and then the all hands, right? how fast it is, guys. Ways to get involved and support our cause. Okay. Future goals and plans, right? So expansion, enhance, development of and you can add to this, guys, as well. So conclusion to call to action to support our mission and stay connected. So in here you can put like a website if you want, if you your address, give us a call kind of thing. Um, and if you don't like it, you could create something else. You just click another um, slideshow and it goes through it. So I'm going to jump up to the top here and hit present so we can take a look at what it looks like in real time here. So introduction to our nonprofit organization. Boom. Mission and vision statement. Look how clean this is, guys. Our mission, our vision, and look at this. Just boom, flow right through this thing. Program, wildlife. It rolls right through, right? Look at easy peasy, guys. One of the easiest apps you'll ever use. So, and then I just wanted to let you guys know that we have created a school community, which is free to everybody for you to join. Comment in the section down below, fundraising. I want to see how many people are ready to get in with us with this community. We're going to be doing free demonstrations, free building. You guys are going to be building bots. You're going to be building a whole bunch of stuff in there with us for free. It's going to be, it's our safe house, our safe community for everybody to come together. We had family and friends that are asking us to do this since, everybody's worried about AI and, that we just want to teach you guys the right way how to use AI to embrace it and not to be afraid of it. Okay. That's the big story around Coffee Sometimes Tea. So come join us in our school where we discuss about life. We hang out, we chat, we have some fun. And then we also show you guys how to properly use ChatGPT and other AI functions. So again, thank you for joining us tonight at Coffee Sometimes Tea, and we'll catch you on the flip. Thanks again, guys. Have a good night.